Dear students, are you thinking about your career? Of course you are. You really need to think deeply, but don't be stressed out. There are many options available. And what happens if there's a pandemic or something else? Don't be worried about that. These are passing things. You see, what happens is everybody tells you, think about your future, think about this, think about that, why haven't you decided? But ultimately you need to take your own time. You need to take your own decision. Don't be worried about what people say too much. I, growing up, used to worry about what people say. I was a cricketer. But it wasn't really important for me. I really need to be answerable ultimately to myself. So choose a career that you love. Choose a career that gives you passion, that gives you drive, that you look forward to. Don't choose a career that someone else told you. Some people ask me, I want to compete for the UPSC exam. Which stream should I take which will be good for the UPSC exam? I tell them, don't take a stream for the UPSC exam. Take a stream that you love. You will do better in whatever subject you are passionate about. Apart from that, there are 4 types of careers. The government sector career, the private sector career, the entrepreneurship alternative, and the self-employed professional. Out of these, you can also mix and match at times. If you get into the private sector, after 5 years, you can start your own venture. If you get into entrepreneurship, maybe you can do a job later. If you are a qualified engineer, doctor, architect, or lawyer, you can do a self-employed business. So what is happening is that people should not take too much stress upon themselves to decide their career. They should actually think about it, yes, but go with your heart and go with your passion, because ultimately, as I said, you have to be answerable to yourself. Let's take the example of a young boy who's decided to become a chartered accountant. He's struggling hard, he's working hard, he's trying to get it, he doesn't clear it. There are alternatives today. Often life doesn't give us what we want, but there is something better for us. And this boy, actually, I know, he becomes a filmmaker. He starts making short little documentaries. It's something close to his heart. He wasn't meant for those numbers. His dad was a chartered accountant, and his dad also ultimately realized that my boy is talented in something else. Parents take time to realize at times, and parents often put pressure on children. So what you have to do is to convince them with patience. You want something in life, and they want something else for you, it happens, but you convince them with patience. Many 9th to 12th class students, they approach me as I am a motivational speaker, ask me, sir, what should I do, what should I not do? I say, what do you really love? Find out that. Start eliminating alternatives which you don't really care about, and you'll be left with only 2 or 3 options. Out of that, go for what you love. There are many career opportunities for you. So many things are available today, online and offline. Go for the best. Be confident. Just be cheerful. And remember, there's another C, which is creativity. Creative people always succeed. Don't accept stagnation, routineness. Try and be creative in whatever you do, and be confident and calm. These are the C's that matter. So C for calmness, C for confidence, C for creativity. All the very best. Thank you.